Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can fix Viber activation error on Android. So whenever you're trying to create an account or log in into your Viber account, and after that you'll have to enter your phone number and they'll be sending you an OTP, and you're not able to receive the OTP, so that is basically an activation error. Instead of entering your correct phone number, you're not able to receive an OTP or a verification code. So in order to fix the activation error, all you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. So one of the main reasons for activation error is your internet connection. So then make sure that you have a good internet connection. So after that as well, you're not able to receive any OTP. So what you have to do is you simply head towards your Play Store and then on the search box type in Viber. So on the other page, you'll have to make sure whether your Viber application is up to date or not. So you can see that instead of open, I have update, which means that the update is available. So that might be one of the reasons for activation error. So after you update the application, there are slight chances that you might be able to fix the problem. So then once again, if you face similar problem, then what you can do is just simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your Viber application and then tap on app info. So once you do that, in the next page, you'll have to tap on storage. So after that, you'll have to tap on clear cache and clear data. So after you tap on clear cache and clear data, once again go back to your Viber and then try activating your Viber account once again. So after doing all of these, once again you're facing similar problem or you're not able to activate your account. So next what you can do is once again go back to your settings and then tap on app info. So over here scroll down and then tap on permissions. As you tap on permissions, so over here you'll have to make sure whether all the permission are enabled or not. In case if you have any one of these following option that is not enabled, so then make sure to enable it just by tapping on the button which is right in the corner. So after you do this as well, you're still unable to activate your Viber account, then what you can do is just simply restart your phone once again. Sometimes it might not be an issue with the application, so it might be an issue with your device. So make sure to restart and then try activating your account once again. So after following all of these methods, if you're still unable to activate your Viber account, what you can do is, that is one of the last option, you simply have to reinstall your Viber application once again, and after that try activating your account. So that might actually fix your problem or that might actually work. So those were the few methods on how you can fix your Viber activation error on Android. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.